What up guys, it's Raul TV, Team Art for you. Well, we're here in the garage and what we're doing today is we've got a 2006 Audi A3 here and I'm going to change the rear light bulbs. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to change the rear light bulb. All the light bulbs, basically the indicator bulb, the brake light bulb, the side light bulb, everything. Let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, there is the lamp. We have to take the full complete lamp off. So the first thing we have to do is get a little, like a pick kind of thing or a screwdriver and flick that little cover off and we'll go from there. Alright guys, here we go, take that off. All we do is guys, we take that off there, 13mm, or if you can get a flat screwdriver in there, take it off with a flat screwdriver. Happy days, let's go, let's do it. Alright guys, that's off as you can see there. 13mm socket head. Took that off. The light should be freestyling now. Got the screwdriver in there. There we go. That comes off. It's on a little grommet kind of thing. Rubber grommet. Them two little lugs goes into them grommets. That comes off. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the wiring loom off. And we'll go from there. Guys, the light is totally off as you can see here. What we do is, when you're prying it off from there, just be careful. You don't want to, damage the bodywork. So get a plastic screwdriver or something like that in there. You can take that off that way. As you can see here now, what we do is we need to take them two off. That one and that one. Take them two off, and hopefully this part should come off, and we can get to the bulbs. So basically now we just take them two off. I'm trying to do this with one hand guys, so look at that, it's all turning while I'm doing one hand. I would hold it with the other hand and then turn this one, as you can see there, just turn, get these off. This one off as well. And hopefully that, I hold it with one hand, pull that off, that should come straight off. There we have it guys, the bulbs are there, obviously that's burnt out and everything. Replace the bulbs and yeah, fit it back on, reverse order, let's go. The bulbs out from the holder, dead easy, just push down and then twist anti-clockwise, come straight out. Yeah, same with this one as well, push, twist, anti-clockwise, straight out. Dead easy. I mean, I don't need to really change that, that's the only one I'm changing, but if you're at it, you might as well change all three. The single filament, normal brake light bulbs and side light bulbs. Indicator bulbs, normal single filaments with the straight pins, not the offset pins. Yep, alright, let's go. Top tip I would give you guys when you're refitting it again, if you put a little bit of grease or oil on there, so if you come to taking it off next time round, it'll be dead easy, you won't need to even pry it or anything, it should come straight off. Right, put the wiring loom back on and let's fit it, let's go. Right, now that we've got the light back on, I mean it should be working, but the best thing to do now is turn the ignition on and just basically go through all the bulbs, the side light bulbs, brake light bulbs, indicator. I've been through it, it's all working, happy days. And all we do now is fit this one back on. Don't forget to fit that one back on, goes in from the back, and that's it. Right guys, that's it. That's how we replace the rear bulbs on a 2006, 7, it's all the same anyway, Audi A3. Yeah, it's dead easy. One 13mm bolt or plastic bolt or nut, whatever you want to call it, take that off. And two, just be careful when you're taking it off on this side here, yeah, make sure you don't crack it. Use a plastic one. I used a screwdriver. You can use a screwdriver, but it came off with a screwdriver. But if you want, you get the plastic ones. Happy days, no problem, you can't damage anything. And yeah, anyway guys, hope that helps you guys out. If it doesn't help you guys out, don't slag me off, I'm trying to help you guys out. Right, anyway, like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon.